Hey everybody, it's Bobby here. I've got another quick and easy recipe for you. This one is going to be on the decadent, delicious, and sweet side. So if you like toffee and brownies and chocolate, this recipe is for you. If you're like me and you have a new neighbor, or your kids are at school and you need gifts for the teachers, or if your kids just have a sweet tooth and you allow this type of thing at your house, this is going to be right up your alley. So I'm going to start with a boxed chocolate supreme cake mix, okay? And I'm just going to make this according to the directions. So we'll take a quick break right now. I'll do that and then we'll come right back. And we're back. So I made the brownie mix. I made a mistake. I said that it was a chocolate cake mix. It's not. It's a brownie mix. And I've got the brownie mix made, and my pan is greased and ready to receive the brownies. But let's get to the toffee and chocolate part. We're using these bars in the center. The brand doesn't matter, but it's chocolate, toffee, and nuts. And the recipe calls for 3 6-ounce bags. These are 7-ounce bags. So, you know, use your discretion. You can either use a little more chocolate, or you can nibble on it to bring it down to 6 ounces. Your choice. Great. So I'm going to use half of my brownie mix here and spread it into the bottom of my pan. This is a layered brownie. So we're going to go brownie mix, chocolate, more brownie mix. And if there's any leftover crumbs of chocolate, then maybe we'll pop that right on the top. So we'll make sure that we've got even brownie mix all over the bottom of the pan. Brownie mix. Smells good even before it's baked. I love brownies. I like to bake. You know, there was a time when I made all of the desserts at our restaurant, the Lady and Sons here in Savannah. I was the baker, but only after I was the dishwasher and pot scrubber. You got to wear every hat when you're in the restaurant business. You got to be able to do it all. And eventually I became the front of the house manager for the restaurant that would eventually get Meal of the Year in the entire world from the USA Today newspaper in 1999. The Lady and Sons. Dun, 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 dun. That's right, I was your baker. Okay, cool. So we've got our first half of brownie mix in the bottom of the pan. Looks real good. And I'm going to, just like that, yes, just like that, put chocolate. Look at that. I know what you're doing at home right now watching this. I know you're going, no, you did not. And I say, oh yes, I did. So this is where it helps if your chocolate is broken a little bit like mine was. You can break some pieces up and get them all throughout. These little chunks, tidbits of chocolate. Ooh, to make sure that all of my brownie mixture gets a little love from the chocolate. Oh, look at how good. I think I've got really good coverage there. There's chocolate over every part of the brownie mix there. You could almost use more brownie mix, to be honest. So
you
thick.
could probably make this in a smaller pan too if you wanted to.
I think that's true.
If you want more, you know what I mean? If you want more depth with your brownie.
Mm-hmm. But, you know, we've made a choice. We're going to stick by it. Make it happen. Yeah, but a smaller pan wouldn't hurt. And I may have, you know, gone a little overboard with the bottom layer. I may have used a little too much brownie mix in the bottom. That's okay. So we're going to spread this on top. Make sure it's equal. This is going to be a brownie chocolate sandwich. Voila. My brownie chocolate. I don't know if you can see the layers in there. Woof. Looks beautiful. Now into the oven according to the directions on the brownie mix box, which is 30 minutes at 350. So let's take a break and I'll see you in a few minutes. This looks and smells so good. It's still really warm. It's really warm. It might not be pretty coming out. But oh boy, does it look good. It's making my mouth water. Let's see. Sometimes you find exactly the tool you need. I was just standing here thinking, man, I just needed one small spatula. Yeah, this is really, really warm. And gooey. Boy. Now, if you wanted to go the extra mile and get some vanilla ice cream and a piece of mint or something like that. Oh my gosh. Have a gander at that. That's our layered chocolate brownie. I'll taste it, but I think I'll do that in privacy. So, thanks for tuning in. Make this at home.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.